Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a brand new day and a brand new vlog. Today is Monday, because it is a brand new vlog, and today's a very special day. We have our first in-store contractor coming in today for the first time, who's going to be cataloging here in-house. They're going to be working 4 days a week. But it's going to be fantastic. Hopefully that's going to get a ton done. I'm going to be training them today, and I'll try and get them to be on camera a little bit, but we'll have to see. So that's going to be the primary thing today. I'm probably just going to be shadowing them mostly. But we have some U's to go through. So today I'm going to be doing a poll. I'm going to try and get a speed lapse of that. Have us both do the poll, and it should be pretty cool to see. Alright guys, it is actually a little afternoon, just came back from lunch. Our brand new contractor is in here sorting. He's not visible quite yet, he was waving at the camera, but first what I want to show before I introduce him is, this. This is Duplo, all Duplo, a lot of Duplo. I've pulled this out of some bins, too much Duplo unfortunately. So a little disappointed in that. There are a decent amount of figs though. So gonna go ahead and work on these mostly. And then here is Connor, our brand new contractor who has been helping me pull stuff. So he is going to be hopefully sticking around. I don't know, Connor, do you already feel like bailing?
My shoulders are saying yes, but the money is saying no.
That's a very good take. Glad to see that he subscribes to the Just a Brick in the Bucket motto. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, continue doing all this stuff, and I will catch up with you guys when we have some more stuff to show. Alrighty guys, almost end of the day here. Let me go over the figs that we pulled. So this was everything fig-wise that got pulled. On top of that, I have these over here, which also got pulled, so fantastic pull from there. Unfortunately, there was a ton of non-sellable. So this is one, and then there's another one over here, and then there's another one floating around somewhere too. So an absolutely insane amount of non-sellable, but there's a lot of figs here, so I cannot wait to dive into this tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. I'm in the store, as per usual. Connor will be here in just a bit. And today is going to be a minifig day. Alright, so I've got this big bag of minifigs that we worked on here yesterday, or that we pulled out yesterday. And what we're going to be doing is kind of splitting it up a little. So all of the mostly built figs are going to go here. And then basically everything else has kind of a location. The reason why we do this is so that if we decide to build a fig, it's very easy to just go ahead and find the piece. If we're looking for a torso, it's probably going to be in torsos. And then once all of the figs have been built, we can very easily just go ahead and just grab one of these and just catalog the whole thing. Because we're not going to overly stress about building figs. If I can't easily find whatever piece is missing, I'm not going to go ahead and search for it. And maybe if the fig is worth a ton, I'm going to, ooh, that's nice. I'm going to go online, or I'm going to go into our store inventory and check there. But usually it's not even worth the time to do that. I just part it out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And training Connor on how to do figs. Alrighty guys, it is the afternoon here in the store. We are currently working on some figs. Right behind me, I've actually got a bunch of drawers. I got a ton of drawers here because we are completely filled in terms of large drawers. So I gotta get to the large drawers and do it. We're also working on figs here. We've gone ahead and divided up the figs into like various categories. So here's like monochrome legs. Quote monochrome, because there's also like where the hip color is different, but basically undecorated. Decorated legs, heads, the worst, and then we've got hair, head pieces. These are figs that we still have to go through. So far, as you can see, most of the figs still have to be gone through. There's already been a couple winners. I found a Bosk. Actually, I'll just go over there and show you guys. Alrighty, so here's our winners. This is a $60 Spider-Man here. And then Professor Quirrell, I think he's like $6, which is okay. And then $15 Bosk here. Joker, don't remember how much he's worth. And then we've got this dude over here, who I have never seen before. As per usual, when I hold up a fig, I'll put the little thing in the corner, assuming I remember saying what it is and how much it's worth. But, yeah, this dude here. And, of course, Mr. Krabs, who's definitely feeling it. Yeah, we're just going to keep plowing through the figs, trying to get as much done as we can. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday. I'm in the store. I believe Evan was in last night, so hopefully he shot something for you guys. But today is going to be more figs, like always, but I have a minor issue. So I had numbered these drawers the other day. Unfortunately, I was off by some amount. As you can see down there, 7384 is where that starts. And then I started here. So I'm going to have to renumber, which means that I'm going to have to basically move stuff up. So that's going to be a pain. I put that on my to-do list to do today. Connor, who is our contractor, actually I'll flip the camera around. Connor, who is our contractor, is doing fantastic. He's already going at like probably 60 to 70% the speed that I go at, and obviously he has like 2 days of practice. So that is like, you know, phenomenal. I almost said a different F word there, but it is great. So we are making a ton of progress on adding figs. Sales are up a bunch, which is nice. I have not edited a vlog in quite some time, so I broke my promise. But I am going to edit one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it today, to be honest, but maybe tomorrow. I have a meeting in the evening, and meetings are a great time to edit stuff in the background. So I'm going to probably work on that tomorrow. But for today, figs, I may be trying to get started on torsos. There are still a couple figs left over that are like complete figs that I did not add yesterday. But the torsos are getting a little out of control. So I'm going to probably start on torsos, or there's a black pearl hanging around in the garage that has been needing to be added for quite some time. So I might add that, although even though they're worth a ton, I have not really seen any of the pearl parts that we do have here sell. So I don't know, maybe I've just priced them too high, not too sure. But yeah, there's a lot to do. Not quite sure what I'm going to do. I will make sure that I actually update you guys. It's just a little hard when there are other people around here. It's always very strange to film with multiple people in the store. But I'll just have to get over that. So there will be some more content today, I swear. Alrighty, not that there's that much to see, but I did fix the numbering. We now have the large drawers starting on the proper number and the small drawers starting on the small number. So what I'm going to be doing now is cataloging some of this stuff. So this has kind of just been floating around. So is this. This is Consolidate, but this stuff has just been floating around. So I'm going to catalog this real quick. Connor is in now, and he's working on some figs. The last of the assembled figs. And then we're probably going to be getting started on torsos or something. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and added basically these random things that were floating around, plus this dude. So these are going to finally get added to the inventory. Who knows how long they've been floating around. But I did discover something today, and that's this mold type here. So see if I can get the camera to focus. So if you see how this has like that line around it and then those things. So there are 3 variations of this that have the same part ID. And then there is one variation that has a different part ID. If I can get the camera to focus on this, you can see this does not have any like cross beams. Yeah, 2 different types there. Lots of fun. Good morning, guys. Hopefully you can hear me over the washing machine in the background, but today is Friday, and I'm starting off with a very special treat. So this is the EV3 unit that I pulled out of bulk the other day, and he's just kind of been sitting for the last couple days, but I am going to go ahead and take him apart now and list the most valuable stuff. I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and list the whole thing. We'll see how much work that ends up entailing, but at the least I'm going to list all the electronics and, you know, any parts that are valuable in it, and probably the remainder's just going to end up going into a sort with everything else. But yeah, I'm going to get into it. Evan is also here.
Hey everyone, welcome to Sunday. It is the end of the week here. We streamed with you guys yesterday, did a little challenge chat, had some Wingstop. Unfortunately, the audio was garbage. Like, I don't even know how it got as bad as it did. So that probably is just going to end up being deleted off the channel because the audio was absolutely awful. Yeah, so never mind on that then. But other than that, today what I'm going to do is build a wall. So I'm going to build a wall that'll hold the other 24 Acro units over there. So you guys will get to see that in the beginning of the next vlog, which should come out in a week or so. So anyway, thank you for watching. As always, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like the video, a thumbs up really helps us out. And other than that, we'll see you all in the next vlog.